Welcome to English Listening Stories. Jake just got a strange message on his phone. He says it's probably nothing, but after he finally reads it, he and his roommate Emma suddenly need to make a plan together. What was in the message? And here's your listening question. What day do Jake and Emma decide to clean the apartment together? Listen carefully for the answer. The English is slow, clear, and beginner-friendly. When you hear the answer, write it in the comments. It can help you practice English and remember the story better. Let's begin.
Hey, Emma, guess what?
What happened?
I got a strange message today.
A strange message? From who?
I'm not sure. I only saw the first line.
That's interesting.
Yeah, I was busy at work, so I didn't read it.
Was work busy today?
Very busy. We had 3 meetings this afternoon.
3 meetings? That's a lot.
I know. I'm glad the day is over.
Me too. My day was busy as well.
Really? What happened?
We had a new client visit the office.
How did it go?
Pretty well. Everyone was a little nervous at first.
I understand. New clients can be important.
Exactly. But everything worked out.
That's good to hear. So, what do you think the message is about?
Honestly, I have no idea.
Maybe it's something good.
Maybe.
Maybe you won something.
That would be nice.
Or maybe it's from a friend.
Could be.
Are you going to read it now?
Not yet.
Why not?
I'm hungry. Food first.
Fair enough. Did you already eat?
No, I was waiting for you.
Great. Let's make dinner together.
Sounds good.
I think we still have some pasta.
And some vegetables in the fridge.
Perfect. That's an easy dinner.
So you're really not going to check the message?
Not yet.
Now I'm curious too.
Me too, actually.
Then why are we cooking?
Because I'm hungry.
That's a good reason.
We'll eat first.
And then?
Then I'll read the message.
Good. I want to know what it says.
We'll see.
We'll see.
Hopefully it's good news.
I guess we'll find out later. This pasta's really good.
Thanks. It was a team effort.
That's true.
Do you have plans this weekend?
Not many. I want to relax.
Sounds nice. What about you? I'm thinking about going to the food market downtown.
Oh, I like that place.
Have you been there recently?
Not for a few months.
They have a lot of new food stands now.
Really?
That's what my coworker said.
Maybe I should go too.
You should.
Is it open on Saturday?
I think so.
That could be fun.
There is also a new coffee shop nearby.
Another coffee shop?
The city loves coffee.
That's true.
My friend went there last week.
Did he like it?
Yes, he said the coffee was great.
Maybe we can try it sometime.
I'd like that.
It feels good to talk about the weekend.
Definitely.
Work has been so busy lately.
I know exactly what you mean.
Every day feels so fast.
Monday was only yesterday, or at least it feels that way.
I feel the same.
That's why I'm looking forward to the weekend.
Me too.
Maybe the weather will be nice.
I hope so.
We could walk around the market.
And get coffee afterward.
That sounds nice.
Speaking of plans,
What?
are you going to read that message tonight?
Oh, the mystery message.
Yes, the mystery message.
I still haven't looked at it.
That's amazing.
Why?
Most people would check it right away.
Maybe.
Aren't you curious?
A little.
Only a little?
Okay, maybe a lot.
That's more honest.
I just wanted a quiet dinner first.
Fair enough.
Besides, the message isn't going anywhere.
Good point.
We'll see what it says soon.
I hope it's good news.
Me too.
Maybe it will change your weekend plans.
Maybe.
You're making me even more curious now.
We'll find out after dinner.
Deal.
Deal.
Okay, dinner's finished.
Yep.
You know what comes next.
The message?
The message.
All right, let me check it.
Finally.
You're more excited than I am.
Maybe a little.
Okay, I'm opening it now.
What does it say?
Hmm.
That's not very helpful.
Give me a second.
I'm waiting.
Oh,
Oh?
that's interesting.
What is it?
It's from the landlord.
The landlord.
Yeah,
Is everything okay?
I think so.
Then what's the message about?
He wants to visit the apartment next week.
Next week?
That's what it says.
Let me see.
Sure.
Oh, I see it now.
Right?
He plans to come on Wednesday afternoon.
Exactly.
That's sooner than I expected.
Me too.
Why is he coming?
It says it's a routine visit.
Okay, that's normal.
Yeah, nothing unusual.
Still, we should probably get ready.
Good point.
Take a look around.
Around the apartment?
Yes.
Hmm.
What do you see?
A few dishes in the sink.
More than a few.
Okay, maybe more than a few.
And look at the coffee table.
I see some papers.
A lot of papers.
Fair point.
And those boxes near the wall.
I forgot about those.
I can tell.
The apartment doesn't look terrible,
Not terrible.
but not great either.
Exactly.
I see what you mean now.
Good.
We should do something before Wednesday.
I agree.
Maybe tomorrow we can look at everything.
That's a good idea.
We can make a plan.
A real plan this time.
Ouch.
I'm joking. Mostly.
Fair enough.
At least now we know what the message was about.
Yes, mystery solved.
And now we have a new problem.
You're right.
The apartment needs some attention.
Looks like we have work to do.
Okay, let's take a look around.
Sounds good.
Let's start with the kitchen.
Brave choice.
I already see the dishes.
Yeah, there are quite a few.
How many days have they been there?
Do I have to answer that?
Probably not.
Let's just put wash dishes on the list.
Good idea.
What else?
The counters need cleaning,
You're right.
and the refrigerator could use some attention.
I don't even want to look inside right now.
We had to look eventually.
I know.
Okay, kitchen done.
Where next?
The living room.
Let's see.
There are papers everywhere.
Most of those are mine.
I thought so.
I'll organize them.
Sounds good.
The coffee table also needs cleaning.
Definitely.
And I should put those boxes away.
Yes, please.
You're making a very long list.
The apartment is helping me make the list.
Fair enough.
Let's check the hallway.
Okay.
These shoes should go in the closet.
Agreed.
And this jacket has been here for days.
That's mine too.
I was not surprised.
You're enjoying this a little too much.
Maybe.
At least we're finding everything now.
That's true.
What about the bathroom?
Let's take a look.
It doesn't seem too bad.
Not a big problem.
That's good news.
We just need to clean the mirror.
Easy enough.
And wipe a few surfaces.
We can do that quickly.
Exactly.
You know, this is not as bad as I expected.
I was thinking the same thing.
It looked worse in my head.
Sometimes that happens.
We're already making progress.
We haven't cleaned anything yet.
True, but now we know it needs to be done.
That's a good start.
Let me see the list again.
Here you go.
Wash dishes.
Right.
Clean the counters.
Yes.
Organize papers.
Correct.
Put away boxes.
Right again.
Clean the bathroom.
That's on the list too.
Okay.
What do you think?
I think we can do it.
Me too.
We just need a plan.
Then let's make one next. Okay, we have the list.
We do.
Now we need a cleaning day.
Good point.
What about Friday evening?
Friday?
Yes.
That might be difficult.
Why?
I have to stay late at work on Friday.
Oh, really?
We have a project deadline.
That sounds busy.
It probably will be.
I was hoping to finish everything early.
I understand.
Then we could relax during the weekend.
That's a nice idea.
So Friday doesn't work?
Not for me. What about Saturday morning?
Saturday morning?
Yeah,
I usually sleep in on Saturdays.
really.
It's my favorite part of the week.
Fair enough.
What time were you thinking?
Around 9.
9 feels very early for a Saturday.
Not to me.
You're a morning person.
I am.
I am definitely not.
I noticed.
Very funny.
Thank you.
So 9 o'clock is not my first choice.
What would work better for you?
Maybe late morning.
Like 11?
11 sounds much better.
That's almost lunchtime.
Exactly.
I see your plan.
It's a very good plan.
Maybe.
What do you think?
That could work.
Really?
Sure.
I thought you wanted to start early.
I do.
Then why change it?
Because 11 is still fine.
That's nice of you.
And I can do a few small things before then.
Like what?
Maybe organize the papers?
That's a good idea.
Then we'll have less work later.
I like that plan.
So Saturday at 11.
Saturday at 11.
Deal?
Deal.
Great.
I'm glad we talked about it.
Me too.
It wasn't really a disagreement.
Just different schedules.
Exactly.
And now we have a plan.
Almost.
Almost?
We still need to decide who does what.
Ah, the important part.
The very important part.
Then let's figure that out next.
Okay, let's divide the chores.
Sounds fair.
We already have the list.
Right here.
Let's start with the kitchen.
Good idea.
There are a lot of dishes.
I noticed that.
Most of them are yours.
That's true.
So,
I'll wash the dishes.
thank you.
No problem.
What about the counters?
We can do those together.
That works for me.
Great.
The refrigerator also needs attention.
Let's work together on that too.
Good idea.
2 people will make it faster.
Exactly.
What's next on the list?
The living room.
I'll handle the papers.
Sounds fair.
And I'll put away the boxes.
Perfect.
Anything else in there?
The coffee table.
I can clean that too.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Then I'll take care of the laundry.
Good.
I need to do some anyway.
That makes sense.
I'll also organize the hallway.
The shoes and jackets?
Exactly.
Good plan.
What about the trash?
I'll take it out.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Okay.
That's an easy job.
Every job helps.
True.
We still have the bathroom.
I'll clean it.
Really?
Sure.
Thanks.
No problem.
Let's check everything again.
Good idea.
You wash the dishes.
Correct.
You organize the papers.
Right.
You put away the boxes.
Yes.
You take out the trash.
That's mine too.
And you clean the bathroom.
Exactly.
I'll do the laundry.
Right.
I'll organize the hallway.
Sounds good.
And we'll clean the kitchen together.
On Saturday.
At 11 o'clock.
Don't let me forget.
I won't.
This actually feels pretty organized.
It does.
Much better than before.
Definitely.
I'm glad we made a plan.
Me too.
Now the apartment has a chance.
A very good chance.
And maybe the landlord will be impressed.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves.
Fair enough.
First, we need to do the work.
Good point.
But at least we know what we're doing now.
And that's a great start.
I feel a lot better now.
Me too.
We actually got a lot done tonight.
We did.
even though we didn't clean anything yet.
That's true.
We made a good plan.
A very good plan.
Let's review it one more time.
Sure.
First, you came home with a mystery message,
That's right.
and you refused to read it.
I was hungry.
That's still funny.
I stand by my decision.
Fair enough.
Then we had dinner.
Right.
Then we talked about weekend plans.
The food market?
And the new coffee shop.
That still sounds fun.
We should go sometime.
I agree.
Then I finally opened the message.
Finally.
You're never gonna let that go, are you?
Probably not.
Fair enough.
After that, we learned about the landlord's visit.
That's when things became serious.
A little serious.
We took a look around the apartment.
And found quite a few things to do.
More than I expected.
Less than I expected.
Interesting.
Then we made a list.
A very long list.
Not that long.
It felt long.
Maybe.
Then came the big question.
When should we clean?
Exactly.
I wanted Friday evening.
And I wanted Saturday morning.
We found a middle ground.
Saturday at 11.
That's right.
After that, we divided the chores.
Sounds fair to me.
Me too.
You'll wash the dishes
Yes.
and organize the papers
Correct.
and clean the bathroom.
Also correct.
That's quite a list.
Thanks for noticing.
You're welcome.
You'll do the laundry
Right.
and organize the hallway.
Exactly.
Then we'll clean the kitchen together.
We can do it together.
We can.
Honestly, I'm not worried anymore.
Neither am I.
The apartment will look much better soon.
Definitely.
And the landlord's visit should go smoothly.
I think so too.
Thanks for working on this with me.
Of course.
It's easier when two people help each other.
That's true.
So, food market next weekend?
Sounds good.
Coffee shop too?
Definitely.
First we clean.
Then we relax.
After that, we enjoy the weekend.
That's a great plan.
I think so too.
We're ready.
We're ready.
And this time, I'm reading my messages sooner.
I'll believe it when I see it.
Fair enough.
Good night, Jake.
Good night, Emma.
Great job listening today. Before you go, let's look at a few useful English expressions from today's story. Fair enough. Jake and Eri use this expression several times. People say fair enough when they understand and accept what someone says. For example, Emma wanted to sleep later on Saturday. Jake said, fair enough. It means, I understand your reason. Good point. Emma said they should get ready for the landlord's visit. Jake replied, good point. This means, that's a smart idea, or you're right. Sounds good. Jake and Emma used this expression when they agreed on a plan. For example, Saturday at 11? Sounds good. Native speakers use this phrase every day. It is a simple and friendly way to say, I agree. Now let's return to our listening question. What day did Jake and Emma decide to clean the apartment together? Write your answer in the comments. Writing in English is great practice, and it can help you remember new words and expressions longer. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe to English Listening Stories for more relaxing and natural English conversations. And if you'd like to support more stories like this, you can become a channel member. Thank you for spending time with English Listening Stories today. Keep listening, keep learning, and most importantly, keep enjoying English. See you in the next story.